Every single thing you'll ever do in WordPress, write a post, change a theme, install a plugin, manage a user, starts from one consistent left-hand menu in WP Admin. Let's actually walk through it. The real dashboard home screen, at a glance, activity, and quick draft, all genuine, live widgets pulling real data from this exact site. The real posts list, every published and draft post on the site, with real quick edit and bulk action tools built in. The real central media library, every image, document, and video ever uploaded to this site. Real live theme management, where a site's entire visual design is switched and customized. A real live list of installed plugins with one-click activate and deactivate. Every real user account on the site, each with a genuine enforced role. WordPress own real live self-diagnostic PHP version, HTTPS status, and common configuration issues checked live. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. That's the entire real WP Admin tour complete. Try it yourself. Log into your own site's WP Admin and open Site Health to see what it flags for your setup.